Hello, everyone. So, have you seen the new healthcare, primary healthcare facility being established by the Peter Mbah administration? I don't know how much time you have. I know everybody is just going around trying to make ends meet without even checking what's going on around them. Um, Beyond the smart schools have been the sing song of this administration. I don't think the attention has been given to the primary health facilities that the current Peter Mbah administration is putting out. I don't think there's been that attention given to it the way that the smart school has been, put out through content projections. This is not in any way trying to promote the administration. I also have my own personal reservations about the administration of Peter Mbah, but I just wanted to show you guys some pictures, some videos possibly about the PHCs. I know you must have seen the smart schools, the pictures, videos. The one in Owo is already, working, but there is a plan that all of the smart schools will be ready at least between now and September, so that people can start using these smart schools to learn. It's no longer going to be a thing of it's been constructed, 21 has been completed, 30 is remaining. So we're talking 260 primary health facilities, just like we have 260 um, smart schools, because it's one in each ward. Enugu actually has 260 wards throughout the 17 local government area. And so each one will be in one word. Many persons have said it's not going to be much, because I mean, think about it, per ward for a government school, so we still need private institutions to get into that space of bringing education, but it's going to be a very, very huge competition to private schools. I do not know how many private schools we have that are smart. There are private schools, but there are private schools that are not smart. You can even ask yourself, how many private schools even teach coding, just ordinary coding. How many schools do it? So it will be a huge upgrade if we're able to get that done. But this is not about the smart schools. I want to specifically talk about the primary health facilities. In case you haven't seen them, I have some pictures and some videos. But beyond that, I do not know if you also noticed that the executive director of the National Health Program came to Enugu in October last year to visit Peter Mbah. I mean, the pictures are showing. And there was something he said that was quite profound. He says that aside Abuja, the next best primary health facility as it stands, and this was when Peter Mbah just clocked 1 year, 6 months, is Enugu. When that comment was made, in fact, you can go online and even check it. The primary health facilities in Nigeria, the ratings, you see that Enugu is actually one of the best, and that wasn't, the case in the past. So there is this deliberateness that this current administration has with trying to equip the primary health facilities, making sure that people get primary health care. I mean, to the I mean, taking it down to the grassroots. We're talking 260. My only fear, apparently, is the fact that we might have a bit of an issue with security. I mean, um, we have a major part of Enugu State you can't really say that it's all secured. So I'm hoping that that is also looked into. So if you're establishing the primary health facilities, you're also having them much more than building them, but equipping them and also getting in healthcare professionals. And by the way, speaking of healthcare professionals, I also heard that they have put out a circular for employment of 450 health experienced health professionals in Enugu State. I mean, it's unprecedented, and haven't heard anything like that across Nigeria. But this is happening in Enugu State. So I'm gonna put. I'm sure you have been seeing the pictures and videos that I've been posting. So it's just some. There are some that have reached 90%. There are some 80%. Some that are still in 50%. Not all that are complete, but there is a timeline between now and say September or at most December of this year. Everything would have been complete. So I just needed to look at it. There's some pictures I gathered and some videos that I also put out that I thought will be of immense benefit to you just in case you're looking for information about Enugu State. Thank you for watching. See you later.